Pakĩara kĩrĩ kĩgomano kĩa mawega ja mathuganio na kinya gũkũngũĩra mweri jwa bobo agwati mbaru nibogite kuri no batu bakweja amwe kumbithia bobo gukinyanira babaingi bara baringikaga na THIINA ja Kîmathûganio ni nthuki mbithi bakuma gatigati ka miaka 14 mwanka 24 babaingi baba bagitonya kiri ndawa cia MBOGITA. Muthuri Muriuki na ripoti ije.
Murijuju wetano ni murijuju athuri gutegera muno mantu jaigi MBATHI Ja Kîmathûganio ara kigomano kithithikite cukuru ya university ni kenda utegero ntububu
kigomano giki turi nakio ni kia nthiguru yonthe na turi ariria mantu ja ugima bwa mathuganio na gitumi kia kwithwa turi amu tukiariria mantu ja ugima bwa mathuganio number 1 ikugwatanira na nthiguru yetu ni untu bwa kumaki mweri jujwa itano kwithirwa juri mweri jura jutengi ni untu bwa ugima bwa mathuganio kana mental health.
Na ni muroto jwa kigomano giki ni gutigira ikundi mwanya mwanya bikweja amwe irio kanisa baraba kweja na kirira na jama daktari nikenda gutigira bakuru THIINA MBATHI Ja Kîmathûganio
kwenda kuleta communities amwe itukwenda kuleta bonde baraba thuganagie mantu ja mental health amwe nikenda tukaraniria na tuone ni untu turi na mubango jwa kwambiria institute nene muno ya nthiguru yonthe aja Kenya Methodist University nikenda tukariria mubango tunde turi amwe ni untu bwa kubangania ura tukomba kwithwa tukithithia research ura tukomba kwithwa tukitetheria antu bara bari na thina ya mathuganio ja depression na ura tukomba kwithwa kinya tugichwa mbecha cia gutetheria bara bati guchiumba no tukainge mathina ja mathuganio jari jani ni untu bwa kwa kwaga mbecha jakeja ni untu bwa ukebwa kwithirwa muntu ari wenka ati kumba kuchiariria kana ati kuomba kumwariria na ringi akethirwa ati kumba kuthikirwa ni antu
thina ya mathuganio kaita kaingi itithere kimenyeka na antu baingi bachumbuka muno bati kumenya kinya thinera yo bachumbura kana nya bamwe bakarea kuga mathina yao baikira mantu ja maingi dene ya community na kounu ntu mantu ja itugwenda kumenya muno mantu ya maingi era utuma thina ithire irio nikenda tumba kurwanio so itukwirwo muno and we are very happy and grateful that we have this opportunity so that we can also sensitize our communities around so that they can also know about this. Sometimes we have come across issues that people think are just maybe from cultural problems. Some people, when they suffer psychological issues, they associate that with the witchcraft. Others will associate them with the curses and all that. And because of that kind of idea, then people fail to take their proactive action to prevent this problem. And in the process, people get on just being misused and actually their lives are destroyed.
Because mental health issues are not just specific for Kenya, it's actually a global problem. So we find it difficult, like mental stigma is actually very high in the US, it's still a problem. And so working with KEMU, I've been learning of effective ways to reach the community in ways that we can work with the community, listen, and also pairing up with faith-based organization. And we have been all brainstorming in ways where we can come up with how to address these issues. We have a very multidisciplinary approach, which KEMU, Kenya Methodist University, has taken, is looking at not only at the research base, but going all the way from basic science, meaning at the molecular level of receptors, of how like, for example, substance abuse and addiction is happening in the brain, all the way to the community health outreach, all the way to pastoral care. So it's a very, it gives us a high view of how to look at these issues, how to address them. That is not just, like I said, it's not specific just for Kenya, but also in the US, we have a huge crisis.
Indamna bubu, kinya THIINA Ja Kîmathûganio, irija mono, kumanya ndawa cia MBOGITA, ara ukonekana mbe mbithi batonyete kiri THIINA.
Antu baria bajitwe mono na baria ve vulnerable, baria ambiria mono bari high school, iro bakwambiria ku influencer na kidogo. That is age 13-14 kwambiria form 1 lakini bagikinya gukinya university na that is age 18-17 gwita all the way to 25 ana bau nio bakuthukira baria baingi bamwe bati kuthirinya university bariumira mbere inya bathiria ni ontu bagutonya kiri ndawa yu na mono kiria bagutumira na inya ibangi mbere ne uria tutaije mantu abangi ndi nturene cietu narua bangi niratumirwe muno ni ana baskuru
na muno tukithirikari gutigira bakuranda iri MBOGITA nikenda kuthira thineji
inkuromba buru administration na baria bonthe bari na watho bwa kwathana nturene cietu ibashiumia bone tukuinga wendia bwa bangi ndene ya maskuru jetu na nchobi ikwendua joria mutongere wa thirikari yetu deputy president ya kuga nchobi icienderwe taunine naria ana batiri nontu itukwenyangia mugongo kwambiria miaka 14 mwaka 25 ana bai very vulnerable nontu mostly antu bara abuse nchobi nyingi ni antu bara bakinyire adult age na betha ba decided
muthuri Muriuki weru weekend mutiro jwa kangangi